Hey guys, this is MrAJsTech here, and today we got the iOS 4.3 overview. I got this currently running on the iPad 3G, and I'm going to go through all the basic stuff, and I think what everyone wants to see, the multi-touch gestures going from app to app. So as you can see, it's doing that right there, but I'm going to just show you the API differences, not the API differences, but the what's new in iOS. This is straight off the Apple developer stuff. So we got AirPlay video support, basically allows APIs for developers to support AirPlay. That's pretty cool. And stream it to their other devices. We have framework enhancements, whatever that means. Usually updates just have to do more of developer side, less of user side, but you never know. iAds are full screen. We have new media player, and it doesn't really tell you too much on the actual iOS developer site, but that's just simple iOS 4.3 stuff. Just scroll through that. But that's about it. That's all I'm going to show you. I'm going to actually get into the actual software. So I have this running on the iPad 3G, and it seems pretty steady, pretty stable. So a lot of people were complaining about this being changed to a mute switch, and I actually didn't like it myself, so I'll show you. And you can actually change it right here. So now it's a lock rotation, and over here in the settings you can see that that is a mute switch, so that's really cool. Now I'm going to verify that we are on 4.3 just in case you didn't notice that already. So show you it right here. 4.3 8F51485. That is the build number 4.1. I mean not 4.1, 4.3 beta 1. So I'm going to walk you through everything that's new. So the biggest thing, multi-touch gestures. So let's go ahead and open up a bunch of apps. Preferably ones that support multitasking, but I'm not exactly sure which ones we have on here that are multitask supported. So let's just open up a few. iBooks. Let that load up. Photos, mail, iPod, and let's grab one of these. Let's open up Skype. Or not. That was an epic fail. Skype needs to be fixed for 4.3. But you can see right here, we grab all our fingers and bring it up. And there you can see, you can bring up the multitasking menu. So let's go ahead and open up the iPod library. And let's just scroll to our different apps. And you can see that it's definitely a little buggy because you have Skype running on the home screen. So there is going into the bugs. So apps that crash and are smaller just go like that. That's kind of weird. We're just scrolling through. It's pretty cool. Very cool is when you're gonna be like playing games and stuff. You can be scrolling right through here. I don't know if it's exactly going in order. It's this stuff is kind of getting it a little buggy now. But you can see that it runs pretty smooth, and it's definitely going to become much better. So I'll show you the settings for that, and that is right here. And we can also pinch to the home screen. Actually, I just read that in the settings right here, so you can see these are all the new gestures. Use 4 fingers to swipe up, reveal multitasking bar, right there. You can slide over, and you're in the next app. Slide back, hopefully. Again, you can see the bugginess is pretty bad right now when you're using the multi-touch. We actually can't slide to unlock. Now we can. That was a really weird bug. And then the last thing you can do, just you can just pinch out. That is really just cool. So you can be going along, and here, let's go over there, and let's go out. No need for the home button. So that's really cool. It's really bringing the new stuff to the iPad. I also heard that there's a few other differences in accessibility, where you can actually change the text size, which we can see right here. Let's go ahead and try 56 point, whatever that means. And now it should be large text. And that's not working. I don't know if we have to change anything else, but and I don't know what we have to go into to see if it'll actually change to large text. But there is okay, it says contacts, mail, and notes. So let's try notes. And yeah, you can change the text. It's very big, as you can see right there. And as you can see, I just multitasked over. Very usable, very cool. I really think that's about it. That's all I can see. I mean, you have the mobile hotspot that's on the iPhone, as you can see right here, the iPhone. But I'd rather have my jailbreak on my iPhone over the beta. Just my preferable point. But on the iPad, I'd rather have the beta, because the beta is much better than a jailbroken iPad, because you can't really do too much on the jailbroken iPad. Now guys, one other thing. There is an issue that the iPod Touch 2nd generation and the iPhone 3G are not being updated for 4.3 beta 1. So I don't know if this is just something that's not being put into this firmware, or they're just discontinuing updating these devices. So that's going to kind of suck for all of us who have these devices, because I use those as my test devices on like different firmwares. And yeah, so that's something to talk about. There's more info down in the description on iOS4life.com. Also, don't forget to follow me on twitter.com, twitter.com/MrAJsTech. And also, I'd like to give a shout out to iOS with Skill, and his link is down in the description. So check him out, and tell me if you want to see anything else. I mean, that seems to be it so far. I think that this firmware is going to bring the iPad 2 into place, and the iPad 2 is going to really take advantage of this firmware. So tell me if you want to see anything else. I got the iPad on it. Yes, so guys, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you want to see any more of these videos. I am not going to be registering UDIDs, so keep that in mind. Do not bug me. It's very annoying. So, I guess I'll see you in the next video. See ya.